Addiction, Wild Island Island Bird stands as a testament to quality ingredients and their associated health benefits. Anchored by an immune boost blend inspired by the whole prey diet concept, this formula delivers comprehensive health support. Boasting an impressive protein content of 45%, this ultra-high protein formula addresses the dietary needs of active cats. Its grain-free composition also contributes to high digestibility and minimizes potential digestive concerns. Embracing natural ingredients, this formula aligns with feline nutrition needs. Notably, the first 5 ingredients comprise both animal meat and organs, further enhancing the nutritional value. With New Zealand chicken, duck, and turkey as the primary ingredients, this formula is rich in protein, iron, and essential amino acids. By being high in protein and low in carbohydrates, Addiction, Wild Island Island Bird understands its commitment to delivering a diet that is tailored to feline physiology. This formula offers a holistic approach to cat nutrition, combining quality ingredients, a focus on immunity, and a nutritional profile that aligns with the natural dietary inclinations of cats.